Hey guys, Irina Allison here with Apex Real Estate Brokerage. Because you're here and you follow me on social media, I would love to give you a preview of my new listing that's hitting the market on Wednesday. And I just want to tell you just a little bit about it. Location. Down the street from Joliet Mall, immediate access to Route 30 and I-55, couple of minutes to Weber, and about 5-7 minutes to I-80. This unit is in School District 202, but Joliet address. Lower taxes, amazing schools, can't beat it.